What's up, everyone? z400 gaming on YouTube. I'm doing an upgrade on my son's computer so I can take his video card and put it in that i5 700 or 760, that 760 i5 that I had that GTX 750 in, but the 750 I guess not working, and same with the 570. Wow, too many numbers. So that GTX 570 that I had in that i5 760 computer, I'm replacing the video card with my son's video card, which is in here. That big boy Gigabyte WindForce ×3. It's a GTX 670. It's my other one that I had in my old PC. It's not my old PC, it's the PC I use every day. But yeah, so I went today and I bought wow, what's this, guys? It's a Sapphire. Needs lots of power. It's got a back plate, but what kind of video card is it? It's got a BIOS switch. Oh, here we go. We got some. Bam! It's a 584 gig. Mofos. Guess how much I paid? 150 Canadian dollars. But he said it's basically brand new. He wanted the 8 gig version. His loss, my gain. Well, actually, my son's gain, because this is going in his computer. So I got to uninstall the drivers and all that fun stuff. Disconnect the internet. So that way, when I do uninstall the drivers, they don't try to reinstall them with Windows updates. Because Windows 10 updates are retarded. I hate them with a passion. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. And I'm going to take that GTX 670, I'm going to put it in that computer, and then he's going to get this newer video card, and he should be happy. I'm not even going to tell him. We'll see what happens. And I'm going to give you guys some benchmarks on that other computer and this computer once I get all that going. Alright, peeps. Peace.